Hello people, so this is my 11th video of the day, and like I said, not all my videos do I want to make it me sound talking of some very intellectual topic or something. Not that I speak of too many intellectual topics, but still, I mean, this whole thing of either happy science or it's so I'd rather like to even keep it mundane and discuss the weather and random videos really. But seriously, people, if you all haven't heard of happy science, please get onto Amazon and type Ryuho Okawa, Master Ryuho Okawa. While writing the description, the title, I feel like I should write Master Ryuho Okawa, but something is guiding me that no, it's okay. You don't need to overtly show. If you write Ryuho Okawa, it's enough as a people will click on it and want to watch the video. And a longer word takes up those many. You're not able to. You should make your title short and include words that will act like I don't know, clickbait. But seriously, so no. So what I feel is there's the certain guidance that is coming, which is amazing. So I have just 7 more videos to go, and I would have touched the 1,000 video mark. Man, I'm so looking forward to it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.